Don't wait until this happens to you. Did you know there's a simple homemade trick that repels ticks from your skin and clothing? In just a few seconds, you can protect yourself, and everything you need is already at home. In 500 milliliters of hot water, add 1 tablespoon of mint tea. Or even better, a few drops of peppermint essential oil if you have it. Mint is extremely effective against ticks because its strong scent irritates their sense of smell and keeps them away from treated areas. Next, add 50 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Vinegar repels ticks thanks to its acidity, which creates an unpleasant environment for them. In addition, when diluted with water, it is safe for the skin and helps disinfect treated surfaces. At this point, you'll already notice a pleasant and strong aroma, but the real power comes in the last step. The third ingredient is half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Natural compounds in cinnamon make it harder for ticks to move and reduce the risk of bites. One more ingredient, and the trick is almost complete. This final step is what makes ticks simply avoid the area. Watch until the end to see how to use it properly. Our last ingredient is 1 garlic clove, chopped into small pieces. Garlic repels ticks because it contains allicin, a compound that releases a strong scent and taste unpleasant to parasites. When applied, it can reduce a host's attractiveness to ticks and make it harder for them to find a bite site. Don't worry, you won't smell strongly of garlic, as the other scents dominate. Now let the mixture sit for a few hours to infuse. Then strain it through gauze to get a clear liquid. Pour into a spray bottle. Besides ticks, this also repels mosquitoes, fleas, lice, and all other insects. Here it is, the final mix is ready. Apply this mixture to your skin or clothing before going outside. It will safely repel ticks and prevent unpleasant bites. Just a few drops and your protection is active. No chemicals, no complications, just natural ingredients you already have at home. Safe, fast, and effective. Try this trick today and forget about annoying ticks. If you like it, give the video a like and share it with your friends. Cheers!